Uh, Hi, I am Vijay Balaji Reddy and this is my project and this is a sprint 2 of my e-card application. So this is a e-card application over here, and summary of my e-card application is I am presenting the sprint 2 application of my e-card application. In this, a user can add products to cart, a user can view products in the cart, a user can view the products by scrolling, a user can see the account information on sidebar, a user can see the email ID on sidebar, a user can view information of products, a user can scroll items in products. So coming to here, here as a user I want to view my name in e-card app. So according to the acceptance criteria, the user should be able to click the sidebar and user should be able to view the name. So it's Vijay over here and close it. And after that, as a user I want to have the view the scroll page so that I can view the products. So this is like the scroll page. So here you can scroll up and down without scrolling this one. So acceptance is user should be able to click the app. So click the app, user should be able to scroll the page. So you're scrolling the page over here, and user should be able to scroll it back. So it's like you go down and you can also go up. After that, as a user I want to see the products, that I can know all the products in the e-cart. So I have included a double scroll here. So one is you can scroll like this and you can scroll like this also. So here if I want to know the app, I can see the if I want to know the product, I can see the name of the product here. It's blazer over here and red dress over here, and I also shown the prices over here with a discount and sale on it. After that, as a user I want to view my email ID so that I know that I'm logged in. So the acceptance criteria is user should be able to click the sidebar and he should be able to view the email ID, and he should be so that the user knows that he has logged in the specific email ID, and also can log in with the other login, also other user ID login. I have shown this sign in and sign out in my previous sprint one. And after that, as a user I want to see the other tabs in sidebar, side options in the e-card app, so that I can know that there are so many options to use. So here in the sidebar, by clicking the sidebar, you are able to see so many tabs of your home, account, my orders, cart, favorites, settings and help. So user should be able to close it too. After that, as an authorizer, as a user I want to see the cart so that I can access my products in the cart. So here is the cart over here. So you can add your products to the cart. So here, as a user, I want to have a search icon. So I have a search icon here so that I can search. So this is a search icon over here. So at present it's not very active, but I have added the icon and the logic, but not the custom names for the products to search in there. So soon I will be adding that in my next one. So after that, as a user I want to have favorites option on my sidebar so that I can have my favorites. So here is like a user needs to able to add their favorite products to their favorites. So that is done by I have here over here. That's favorites over here. So this one is a clickable button, so you can see it's clickable, but I haven't added the logic yet. That's why I'm just stopping it. But I have added the icon and the tab gesture to it. After that, as a user I want to have account option so that I can have other options for better usability. So here I have the account option over here. So the user is able to manipulate or just defer his address, change his address, name, or anything he wants to. So this is what happened. And checking with my my Firebase, I would like to show my Firebase. This is my Firebase, and this is an eCart. So here there are different categories over here. So if you see for the Blazor, okay, so if you see here for Blazor, you have two options of color and size. This color is black and size is large. For shirt is like red and small. For pant it's like, okay, the color and size, and skirt is having two other options too. So this is what I have written in my database too, and so that's it. I'm going to implement other options in my app as soon as possible in the next sprint, and yeah, that's it for now. So thank you.